Hey everyone, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. This integration allows you to connect tasks in ClickUp with your repositories in GitHub, streamlining your workflow and improving collaboration. Whether you're a project manager, developer, or part of a cross-functional team, this integration will help keep everyone aligned without switching between tools constantly. To start the integration process, the first thing you need to do is open ClickUp. Begin by navigating to the ClickUp application on your device. Once you're in, you'll see your main dashboard. Now take a look at the upper left side of your screen. You'll see your workspace name. Click on it to access the workspace settings. Next, you want to head over to the settings area. Once you've clicked on your workspace name, you'll see a drop-down or sidebar depending on your interface. Look for the settings option and click on it. This is where you manage various integrations and preferences that you have within the ClickUp environment. Once you're in the settings menu, your next step is to find the App Center. The App Center is a vital hub in ClickUp where all the available integrations are listed. Look through the options until you find the App Center. It should be distinctly labeled, making it relatively easy to locate. Upon entering the App Center, you'll see a variety of apps and integrations listed. Your focus should now be on identifying GitHub. GitHub is a widely used platform for version control and collaborative software development, making it a critical tool for many teams. Scroll through the list or use the search function to find GitHub quickly with GitHub Insight. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to another screen or pop-up with an option to connect. If you're managing multiple GitHub accounts, like one for personal projects and another for work, make sure you're logged into the right one before clicking Connect. It'll save you from a lot of confusion later on. Now, this is a crucial step, as clicking Connect will enable the integration between ClickUp and GitHub. Once you click on Connect, you might be prompted to authorize the connection between the two applications. Be sure you're logged into your GitHub account so the authorization process can proceed smoothly. Keep in mind that this process may ask for your permission to allow ClickUp access to specific data in GitHub. These permissions are necessary for the integration to function correctly, allowing ClickUp to fetch data related to your GitHub repositories and tasks. ClickUp usually asks for access to read repository info, commit messages, and pull request details. This helps you track code changes linked to your tasks. If you're worried about security, be sure to check with your admin or review the scopes before you grant permission. And there you have it, you've now successfully integrated ClickUp with GitHub. This synchronization facilitates a seamless flow of information between your task management and version control systems, enabling you and your team to work more efficiently. By linking the two platforms, you'll have a more cohesive view of project progress and task statuses right from within ClickUp, which is immensely helpful for managing and tracking development workflows. This integration will now reflect any updates you make in GitHub within your ClickUp task and vice versa, saving you the hassle of manually updating each platform. We hope this step-by-step guide makes integrating ClickUp with GitHub a breeze for you. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And let us know in the comments what other integrations or productivity tools you'd like to learn about next. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more seamless, productive workspace experience. Until next time, keep building smarter.